In this After Effects tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a golden logo reveal animation or golden text animation in Adobe After Effects. So before starting this tutorial, let's have a look what we are going to create today. So this is the animation I'm going to make in this video. To make this video, I'm going to use some stock footage. You can download all of them from the link in video description. So let's drag them to After Effects. Before starts, if you are new to my channel, then please make sure to subscribe it and like this video. So now I'm going to drag them to this folder icon and create a new folder. And now I'm going to create a new composition and to rename it to main, and I'm using 1920 pixel by 1080 pixel. Then hit OK. After that, I'm going to drag my logo to the timeline, and my logo color is black, so I can see it. Now I'm going to change its color. Maybe you don't need to do this if your logo color is something else. Then select this logo, go to Effect and Presets. I'm going to use a fill and change its color to white. Now select this and press S, stop and scale. Let's adjust its size. Now select this logo and pre-compose it, rename it to logo holder. Always pre-compose your logo so that you can change it anytime. So select this, then hit OK. Now go to project window and drag our reflection to the timeline. Select it and pre-compose. Rename it to reflection and select move all attribute into the new composition, then hit OK. Now double click and open it. Select this, go to Effect and Preset and search for motion tile. Apply it. Now change this motion weight to 15 and height to 10 and just adjust it with the screen. Then again go to Effect and Preset and search for levels. I'm going to make it a little bit darker. Now let's animate it. So select this, create a keyframe here, back to the last frame and make it something like this. Now drag this reflection layer to below this logo holder and then change this track matte to alpha matte. By the way, if you don't have this track matte, then press F4 to get this. Now select this and change it to alpha matte. Now select this reflection layer, go to Effect and Preset and search for CC glass. Apply it. Now again go to Effect and Preset and search for CC globalize and apply it also. Then go to globalize and change this to logo holder. And you can change this by I'm going with lightness. Then let's adjust it something like this. Then go to shading. I'm going to keep it to 80 and diffuse I'm going to use something like 27. Now hit OK. Now let's select all of this, then recompose them, rename it to gold logo. Select move all attribute into the new composition, then hit OK. Now select this, go to Effect and Preset and search for curves. Apply it, then select red from here. Just make it something like this and follow my steps. Okay, I think it's good. Then go to project window and drag our glowing particle to the timeline. Let's change its mode to add. 1 second and 10 frame, and then select this gold logo, press T, open opacity, create a keyframe here, then go to something like this point and change its opacity to 0. Now select this logo, press S, create a keyframe here and press U, then go to this point and change its size to 105. Okay, now close it. Now drag our background photos to the timeline, then press S, adjust its size, then select this, go to effect and preset and search for tint effect, apply it and change this color to something like this, then hit OK. Now let's drag our flare to the timeline. Select this flare, drag here, and drag this to this point and press Ctrl D and go to this point and again drag this to this point. Again select this, press Ctrl D, go to here and drag this layer to this point. Again select this, press Ctrl D and drag this to this point. Now again select this and press Ctrl D and then drag it to here and place it to here. Again go to this point and press Ctrl D, go to here and drag this to this point. Again select this, press Ctrl D, go to this point and drag this to here. Now select all of them, recompose, rename it to animation, select move all attribute into the new composition, then hit OK. And then select all of this flare and change this mode to add. Back to the main composition and change this mode to add also. Now let's create a new solid and rename it to black bar. Hit OK. Now turn off this title safe action and then go to shape, rectangular, then draw a shape like this, then invert it. Now let's add a fade in and fade out effect here. So select this, go to layer, go to new, create a new solid, rename it to fade in and out, hit OK. Drag this to here, press T to open opacity, create a keyframe, go to something like here and make it to 0, then go to this point, create a keyframe, go to the last frame and make it 100%. Now let's see the preview. So this is the animation. Now let's render it. To render this, go to composition, then add to render queue, then from here click lossless and from here select QuickTime. If you have an audio, then turn it on, then hit OK. Now from here select your folder, then just click on this render button. So this is how you can make a golden text or golden logo reveal animation in Adobe After Effects. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then make sure to subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching.